What happens if apply glycerin on lips? Do you also happen to be one of those who have fallen prey to the brunt of harsh winters? Winter often brings along with it dryness, which can make your skin feel dull and dry. Dry and flaky skin can turn out to be quite annoying. Other than just face, our lips also tend to face the harsh effects of winter as well. In order to steer clear of it, it is imperative to take care of them. There are a lot of cosmetic products available in the market that can help keep dry lips at bay, however, they might just end up giving you side effects. So the best natural way to get rid of dark, dry and chapped lips is by using glycerin. You can now ditch those expensive lip balms and bring glycerin to your rescue instead, as nothing works better than glycerin in keeping the lips soft and pink. Glycerin acts as a moisturizer not only for the skin, but for lips as well. Glycerin has been a part of the beauty regimen of most women. This non-toxic substance is a water-soluble ingredient that is used as laxatives and in various cosmetic products like gels, creams, etc. In winters, our skin is more likely to become dry and dull. This is where glycerin comes into use. Glycerin helps in moisturizing the skin and lips inside out. It can be used in various ways to benefit our lips. Before knowing 5 amazing benefits of using glycerin on lips, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. Battles dry lips. If you have been suffering from dry and chapped lips and looking for effective home remedies, then glycerin can come to great help. Glycerin may help in keeping dryness at bay and may keep them moistured to a great extent. Dry lips are quite common in winters and they can give you a tough time, if not taken care of properly. Not only do they make your lips look black, but they may also lead to pigmentation. All you need is some glycerin and a cotton swab. Just apply it on your lips during bedtime and allow it to stay overnight. You can repeat this procedure every night before going to sleep for best results. Soft and pink lips. Who doesn't wish to have soft and pink lips? Not only do they look good, but also make one feel confident. A lot of people tend to have dark lips due to smoking or other environmental issues. If you also happen to be one of them, then use glycerin every day. Just a thin coating of pure glycerin may nourish your lips to a great extent, keeping them soft and pink. Prevents irritation. There is no denying the fact that dry lips can turn out to be quite bothersome. They can cause extreme itchiness, which can possibly tear the protective layer of skin. The lip balms that are easily available in the market do help in keeping the lips hydrated, however, for a very short period of time. Glycerin, on the other hand, can help in keeping irritation at bay along with keeping them soft and hydrated all day long. Keeps bleeding and flaking at bay. A lot of people tend to suffer from bleeding and flaking due to dry and chapped lips. Our lips are more sensitive than our facial skin, hence, they call for extra care. During winters, our lips become dry. Not only do they look unpleasant, but can also cause a lot of pain. In order to avoid chapping of lips and to heal them properly, use glycerin regularly. Healthy lips and removes dead skin cells. Regular use of glycerin on lips will not only keep your lips healthy and soft, but will also remove dead skin from your lips area. But that's not it. Regular use of glycerin also stimulates the growth of new skin cells. So, what are you waiting for? Bring this natural ingredient to your rescue and say bye-bye to dry and chapped lips. If you know more benefits of glycerin, just comment below. Hit like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.